Good morning, San Diego. I'm walking early morning because it's gonna be hot later if I walk late. Okay, there you go. Oh, I like this house. Yeah, they renovate this house. It's so nice. I like it. Okay, keep on walking. I have to walk more, but I'm almost home. See? Ganda. Ang ganda ng view dito, kaya gusto ko dito. Oh. Okay, folks. Thank you.